Well, the cab has been sprayed, needs one more coat to touch in places which I've missed, and should be ready to land on the machine. She's looking right. Number 8007. So that's all for today. Now, it's been quite a warm day today. It's great for painting. So that's been given 3 or 4 coats now. So tomorrow morning, about 10 o'clock, I'll be giving it another one, and that should be it. It's a lot different to when it first arrived here. Just windows and draft proofing to fit down, really. But she's looking alright. Yeah, I got all the windows bar the back one. So I've got side windows, the front, doors, a windscreen. To reglaze one of these, you're looking at well over £1,000, I would say. So I've got all those bits. So on to the next job.